Okay, hi there everyone. On our next video on statistics, we're going to now present a video. I'm going to present a video about two sample t-tests, um, making use of dependent samples, or some books would like to call it paired sample or a paired t-test. So we're going to consider this example, and then we're going to make use of the data analysis in Excel on how to deal with this such problem. So let's read this. This is quite simple, just to you know uh, show you or tutor you how to use Excel in solving paired t-test or a dependent t-test. So we're going to test the claim that there is no difference between the population mean based on the sample paired data. So we're going to make use of the alpha level, which is 0.05. So this is set A and set B. The values are there and written there. So let's start with step one. So again, we're going to make use of four steps. Step one is stating the hypotheses. Step two is determining the p-value, making use of Excel. Step three will be the decision rule, and step four will be creating the conclusion. So for step one, we're going to say that your null, H sub O, your mu, so let us write here the mu. Your mu, hopefully it will write. Your mu, okay, let's call it mu sub 1 is just equal to your mu sub 2. Okay, there. So that's your null. That is meaning there's no significant difference, or rather, yeah, there's no significant difference between the two means. So meaning they're equal. That is saying that their difference is 0. Your H sub A, which is your alternative hypothesis, will say that mu sub 1 is not equal to mu sub 2. So that's your step number one. For step number two, we would now make use of Excel in determining the p-value. So let's go to your data tab in Excel. Go to data analysis again. If this is not yet shown, you go to analysis tools. Make sure the data analysis tool pack is checked. Click OK, and then if you need to restart your Excel to see the data analysis, so kindly do so. So we would want the t-test of paired two sample for means. We would want to choose that. We'll click OK, and we choose our variable one range. We're going to um you know put the label in. We would want to check this on the checkbox so that the Excel will understand that the first row is about the labels. Your variable two range will be from set B all the way down. And then our hypothesized mean difference, that our null tells us that there's no difference, meaning that there is the difference of 0. So our alpha level is quite correct. And our output range, we would want to put the output here. And we'll click OK with that. After that, it will show us this. A little bit of loading here. So what we can see here are the information after the paired two sample means have been um, run or analyzed. So what it shows you here is about the set A and set B. We have the descriptives, mean and variance, the observations, how many they are, the uh, degrees of freedom, the Pearson correlation if you need it, hypothesis mean is 0, and the t-stat is what you will use if you will be in particular if you want to have the traditional method, so you can use that. So this is your t-statistic. And if you are using the p-value method, what you need to um, take into consideration are these numbers here. And you need to first identify if it is two-tailed or one-tailed. Two-tailed means we're going to use this information here. Rather, sorry, that's one-tailed. Two-tailed means we're going to make use of this information here. So since you can see in our alternative hypothesis that it's unequal, meaning the alternative, our research hypothesis would like to know if there is just a difference, not really greater than or less than. So that is two-tailed. So we're going to make use of this p value here. So we're going to highlight that so that we won't get lost. We'll highlight this answer for step 1 also. So this is our p-value, 0.3253988. So for step 3, we will compare our p-value and our alpha level. So we say that since our p-value is greater than your alpha level, I'll just copy and paste it from here. Greater than your alpha level, that is 0.3254. Let's end with the 4 decimal places, so it will round up to 4. Is greater than 0.05. Clearly. Hence, we say that we will not reject your null hypothesis. Not there is being capitalized so that to highlight. Okay, so what then is our summary? So therefore, as simple as this problem doesn't really impose what kind of problem that is, but we just need to check about the pair t-test. Therefore, we say that there is indeed no significant significant difference between the two population means. There, as simple as that. Let's highlight the answers. Okay, there you go. So that's one example of how to determine or do the analysis making use of paired two sample means. So pretty much it's somehow this very it's not it's very very the same, very very similar on how we do the analysis of two independent means. So that's it for this video. More examples will be coming up, and thank you for watching. Hope you'd like and subscribe. Thanks.